He made it this far, through the noise, the movement, and the unfamiliar. But sometimes, the hardest part isn't getting there. It's knowing what to do next. Watch and learn.
Next train will arrive at platform.
Now, where do I buy my ticket?
Maybe I should use the elevator. Maybe I will find ticket machines. Maybe by randomly clicking on the machines, I should be able to get my ticket.
How do I actually buy this ticket? Maybe I should ask for help. Excuse me, ma'am. I need help using this machine to get my train ticket. Could you show me, please?
Of course. Where are you heading?
Heading?
Yeah, heading, meaning going.
Where are you going? Oh, yeah, the city center.
Select your destination here. Then choose your ticket.
One ticket.
Right, now tap your card.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
Now, my ticket says my train will be at platform 2. So, I need to find the platform. Platform 2. Excuse me, where is platform 2?
Keep straight, then turn left.
Okay, thank you.
The next train will arrive at platform.
Train arriving on platform 2.
Train to city center, now boarding.
Finally. Now, I should use my phone. No internet?
Excuse me. Is there Wi-Fi on this train?
Yeah, there is.
Check the sign here and scan the code.
Got it.
Every conversation is an opportunity to practice your English. The questions, the sentences, the answers, they make you better at using the language. So speak a little every day. Be audible.